you want to start building a profitable digital product business, one of the easiest products to create and sell online is a digital planner. But here's the real question. What tools should you actually use to create professional, high-quality digital planners that people want to buy? In this video, I'll break down the top 3 tools to create digital planners, whether you're a complete beginner or already selling online. Let's get started. First is Canva. Canva is one of the most popular tools for creating digital planners, especially for beginners. It is simple, fast, and requires zero design experience. You can use drag and drop features, ready-made templates, fonts, icons, and layouts to build beautiful planners in minutes. Canva is perfect for creating things like habit trackers, daily planners, weekly schedules, and budget templates. Once you finish designing, you can easily export your planner as a PDF and sell it on platforms like Etsy or your own website. If you are just starting out, Canva is the easiest way to create your first digital product. Next is Notion. Notion is a powerful all-in-one workspace that allows you to create interactive digital planners. Unlike static PDFs, Notion planners are dynamic, meaning users can actually click, update, and manage their tasks in real time. This makes Notion perfect for productivity planners, goal trackers, and business dashboards. Many creators are now selling Notion templates because they offer a modern and premium user experience. If you want to stand out in the digital product market, Notion is a strong choice. Finally, we have Google Sheets. Google Sheets is one of the most underrated tools for creating digital planners. It is perfect for data-driven planners like budget trackers, expense sheets, financial planners, and goal-setting systems. The best part is automation. You can use formulas so everything updates automatically, making it extremely useful for users who want structure and accuracy in their planning. And it's completely free and accessible from anywhere. So to quickly summarize, Canva is best for design and aesthetics, Notion is best for interactive and modern planners, and Google Sheets is best for structured database planners. If you're just starting out, don't try to master everything at once. Pick one tool, learn it properly, and create your first digital product. Once you do that, you'll already be ahead of most beginners in this space. If you want, in the next video I can show you how to actually sell your digital planners and start making your first online income step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Digital Product Hustle for more digital product tips, tools, and strategies.